Are you worried about end-to-end encryption on your Messenger app? Maybe you want to switch devices or just prefer not to have your messages encrypted. Well, I've got you covered. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to manage encryption settings in Facebook Messenger. Let's dive in. Disclaimer: there is no settings to turn off end-to-end encryption, and this method won't disable encryption itself, but it will stop Messenger from backing up your encrypted chats on the cloud. This could result in lost messages if your device is damaged or lost. Now with that out of the way, let's begin the tutorial. Start by launching your Messenger app on your Android device. Tap the hamburger menu, that's the 3 lines at the top left. Look for the gear icon and tap on it. Then look for Privacy and Safety. Under this section, you'll find End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on it to see more options. Then tap on the message storage. Here, you can choose to turn off secure storage. If you're looking to stop a particular device from receiving encrypted messages, go back and select Security Alerts and tap View All Logins. Choose the device you want to remove and hit Log Out. This action prevents that device from accessing encrypted chats. If you want to completely delete your encrypted message backups, head back to the Message Storage settings. You'll see options to turn off secure storage or delete and turn off secure storage. Choose one based on your preference, but remember this can result in permanent loss of messages that were stored remotely. And that's it! You now have full control over your encryption settings in Messenger. Remember, while turning off secure storage won't stop end-to-end encryption, it does give you control over how your data is stored. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay secure and happy messaging.